Car air condition clean machine. Turn on the power switch on the display. Turn on the switch on the spray gun. It can supply clean, disinfect, and atomize function. Pour cleaning liquid into the tank. Pour disinfect liquid. Pour atomizer liquid. Connect to air compressor. Remove car air conditioner filter. Slowly insert the spray gun cleaning pipe into the evaporation box. First clean the evaporation box. Turn on the valve, pull the trigger. The clean liquid will be sprayed out. You can clearly see the cleaning effect from the endoscope. Second, disinfect the evaporation box. Third, atomize the car interior. Insert the atomization pipe into the car. Use a wet towel to cover the gap. Turn on the atomization power switch. After about 5 minutes preheating, the light is on. Open the atomization switch valve. Press and hold the button on the remote control to start spraying smoke. Wait for 20 minutes and open car door 5 minutes to finish the air purification.